This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the wiper arm away from the screen until it locks. Squeeze together the clips and slide the blade from the end of the arm. Hook the blade onto the end of the arm, then clip it into place. Gently lower the arm down to the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen, then rotate the blade 90 degrees and press it from the arm. Locate the blade's pivot pin in the slot in the end of the arm and press it firmly into place. Lower the arm gently down to the screen.